Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the theme on Qwen AI in just a few simple steps. Whether you want a dark mode or a customized look, this guide will help you switch theme effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open up the Qwen app on your phone. Make sure you have logged in into your account. Now tap onto the three horizontal lines to locate the settings section. Here you will be able to see your profile on the bottom. Tap on it to open the setting option. Click on settings. Here you will be able to see the theme option. You will see different theme options like light mode, dark mode or custom theme. Select the one you prefer and it will apply instant. Once you are happy with the change, save your setting and that's it. You have successfully changed the theme on Qwen AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.